Did you know? A letter to Hollywood. First erected in 1923 to advertise real estate, the original Hollywood sign wasn't meant to last. By 1978, it was a crumbling eyesore. Though the Hollywood Chamber of Commerce tried their best, they didn't have enough money or manpower for the sign's upkeep. Luckily, a group of Hollywood bold-faced names got together and raised the funds necessary to help save the sign. 9 donors, one for each letter, raised $250,000 to restore the sign back to its former glory. Here are the bigwigs and the letters they helped save. H. Newspaper publisher Terrence Donnelly. O. Rock god Alice Cooper. L. Creator of the Kelly Blue Book, Les Kelly. L. Singing cowboy Gene Autry. Y. Playboy's Playboy Hugh Hefner. W. Crooner Andy Williams. O. Italian movie producer Giovanni Mazza. O. Warner Brothers Studio.
Action.
D. Dennis Lidke and Ron Levinson of Gribbet, a local graphic design firm.